Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to install and connect VPN on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Play Store from your Android phone. Click on your Play Store. On getting to your Play Store, what you need to do is to make use of search right here. Then what you want to do is to simply come to the top here and type in fast VPN. So it's going to take you to so many types of VPN right here. So you can choose any one of them right here. So I'm going to make use of this particular VPN right here. So just like so. And then you can see over 100 million people plus have downloaded and installed this VPN. You can scroll down and see what people have to say about it. What you need to do is to simply click on install right here to download and install the app on your phone. After a successful download and install, you can simply exit from the Play Store and head over to your phone screen and look for the app icon. So right here, I'm going to use Fast VPN. So click on the VPN, then it's load up just like so. Now for you to connect with a particular VPN, simply click on here. Connected, as you can see right here. So what we want to do is to simply close this tab, and we can simply click on here to choose a server. So just like so, then we can connect to this type of country right here under the VIP section. If we want to try the free version of it, we can simply click on free right here. So we have Singapore. We have two regions in Singapore to connect with, and we have South Korea that we can connect to. Under the VIP, you can connect with Canada, Toronto, South Korea, in Bangalore, which is India, etc. So it's as simple as that. And for you to connect with auto, simply leave it in auto right here. And then you will always see connected right here. Then you can go ahead anywhere you are and go ahead and start using your VPN. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to install and connect VPN on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.